Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a BMW M3. First, adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility and control. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the M3's unique cockpit layout and various controls. Before starting, ensure the parking brake is engaged. Then, with your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the Start/Stop button to awaken the powerful engine. This initial setup is crucial for a confident and enjoyable driving experience. Next, let's explore the M3's dynamic capabilities. Your M3 offers several M-Drive modes, allowing you to tailor the car's performance characteristics to your preference, from comfort to Sport Plus. Understand the functionality of the advanced transmission system, whether it's an automatic or a manual. For a more engaging experience, utilize the paddle shifters for quick, manual gear changes. Always select the appropriate gear for smooth acceleration and deceleration, ensuring optimal power delivery. Now, let's delve into advanced driving techniques. Practice smooth and progressive throttle input to manage the M3's significant horsepower, often exceeding 500. Master braking techniques, using both the brake pedal and engine braking for optimal stopping power and control. Learn to manage the powerful rear-wheel drive dynamics, especially when accelerating out of corners. Always maintain proper and precise steering input for accurate cornering, feeling the road through the steering wheel. Finally, let's discuss safety and maintenance. Always adhere to speed limits and traffic regulations to ensure a safe journey for everyone. Regularly check your tire pressure and fluid levels, like engine oil and coolant, for optimal performance and safety. Understand the M3's sophisticated stability control systems and their operational limits. For those seeking to truly master their M3, consider enrolling in advanced driver training to further enhance your skills and confidence on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.